Yeah, there's a video.
Okay.
So actually, Amul, yeah, fine. Actually, this is a cycle set here. Today the activity is called a bagathon. Actually, in this bagathon, we're using two things. There is a inverter where they convert the DC into AC, and there is a dynamo where the magnetic field is there. When we rotate this dynamo, the electricity is generated. So I'm going to show here that how we generate electricity from this. And can you give your this thing, your mobile phone here? I'll show by charging this recharge. I'm doing the electric recharge of a mobile phone. Yeah, charging point is here. So we got a multi-pin charger here. So we will put one of the charger here, which is comfortable for this phone. So yeah, this one is I guess this one is charging. So you can hold.
Can you
this.
ask him to stand that side?
You can come.
You can go that side.
So right now you can see here, I switch off the inverter and the dynamo is connected in the wind. Where when you rotate this, the dynamo is also rotate. So we just start pedaling it, and when we pedal this, can you switch on that one? This one, the front one. Yeah, yeah. You can see here, the phone started recharging. Do you see that?
Yes.
You can just come closer, ma'am, and take a closer look of the mobile phone. That it started recycling, which is generated electricity from the by pedaling. So in this scale, So this is the thing that we are showing yet. There is a lot of alternate way of getting electricity. So this is one of the thing, you can implement in your life also. Like if you have cycle, you can do a cycling at a time, as well as you can recharge a mobile phone also. That is another way. We are telling and showing an example here that instead of coal, instead of nuclear, there are a lot of ways that we can get electricity. That's what the government is destroying the forest to do coal mining. There is no needed because there's a lot of alternative source of energy is there. So this is an example. Though, what do you think about this thing? What do you say?
Nice.
I mean, any feedback regarding this? We should implement in our life or something like that. Yeah, and one more thing I want to tell you, there is a little dynamo, but just imagine a wind turbine. The big one, that if the wind turbine is rotated, how much electricity then we can
generate.
Yeah, the other thing is that by using this small dynamo, we can charge a mobile phone. But imagine about the windmill, that how much
we will get lots of energy.
Yeah, that's what we are into, renewable. Harley, welcome to the Greenpeace. You also supported the organization also. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot. Please.
Thank you.
No, just,
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Have a response. I'm just waiting for you.
Okay.
बंद कर दो।
वो वीडियो
अभी देखते कैसा हुआ है बंद। ऑपरेशन थोड़ा
अब लिया क्या कुछ?